Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, on some of the watch faces you will see the battery level. Basically some of the watch faces display that information. So that's the first way you can check it, but on the watch face. The second way you can check the battery level is to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the control panel's open. And in the control panel you can swipe down and it will show you the battery level and also the date, as you can see. But we are interested in the battery level. And of course, once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.